In this recording, I'll be showing you how you can prescribe medication with Dragon Medical One on Medtech using voice commands. Prescribe 50 mg ibuprofen gel. And it's added here at the bottom. Prescribe Pamol infant drops. Prescribe salbutamol 5 ml broncholan. Voice commands make it easy to automate common actions and can also be used to insert blocks of text, such as a documentation template or common assessment. Dragon Medical One is Microsoft's comprehensive productivity solution and speech-to-text tool for clinicians. Contact us today for a free demo and a free trial at sales@soundbusiness.co.nz.